Hi there, welcome to the Coin Report channel. Charles Hoskinson recently had to defend his project from slander because a number of misinformation about Cardano appeared on social media. But what if I said, everything is not so clear as it might seem? What are the real prospects for the ADA token? And why should you not miss the huge opportunity that recently opened for holders of this coin? Let's get started. Guys, the other day, Cardano's founder had to stand up for his cryptocurrency, which came under fierce criticism on Reddit. He ridiculed the misinformation associated with the Cardano's computing layer and settlement layer on his Twitter account. Hoskinson noted that sidechains are in fact the embodiment of the conceived Cardano CL. He asked those promoting this false version to resume eating paint chips now. Charles's anger was probably directed at Reddit user who didn't like the Cardano report published by the Messari blockchain firm. In short, the user criticized Cardano as much as he could, pointing out the developers' incompetence, the company's slow progress, their questionable decentralization, and so on. But why do I think it's nothing more than just the noise that should not be taken into account? Cardano is neither a hype project nor a market newcomer. The team is primarily focused on long-term success, so there's no need to hurry. Slow but steady progress through each point of the roadmap will allow the project to build a solid foundation that will help Cardano compete strongly with other blockchains. If you look at the blockchain infographic, it looks quite attractive. There are wallets, DEX, exchanges, NFTs, games, launchpads, and so on. But all these projects, in fact, only announced their intention to do something in the Cardano blockchain, but they have not received active development. We don't yet see a line of projects that have the desire to move to this blockchain. This site, DeppRadar, is a reviewer of decentralized applications. Cardano blockchain appeared on its list relatively recently, which shows the difficulty of the project's transition to the proposed solution. It is also not unimportant to analyze the value of blocked assets in DeFi applications on different networks. We see that Ethereum is an undisputed leader, followed by Binance Smart Chain, Tron, Avalanche, Arbitrum, and others, but Cardano is not here. In the overall TVL ranking, it only takes 27th place, which shows that the project still has room to grow. But it's also worth mentioning that at the beginning of the 2022, the ADA was ranked 73rd. The cryptocurrency progress is clearly visible. Now, let's talk about the prospects for the ADA token and the emerging opportunities by looking at the chart itself. In the meantime, you have a few seconds to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. We continue. What's going on with Cardano right now? In fact, despite the significant drop from its peak, the cryptocurrency seems to be standing at a decent level. The team continues to do its job, and bankruptcy does not threaten the project. Understandably, the coin went down badly as things in the world are not going very well. But Cardano is not the only one that has dropped in value. Here you can see and also include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and not only the cryptocurrency market. At the moment, Cardano ranks 9th in capitalization among all cryptocurrencies on the CoinMarketCap site, just slightly behind Dogecoin. You can see on the chart that its drop was an insane 92%, even though the picture as a whole looks intimidating. In fact, you should have more of a sense of opportunity than fear. Since the beginning of September 2021, we have seen downward resistance that never once broke. Well, it's different now. As a rule, such dire periods in crypto often turn out to be the best opportunity for fundamentally strong projects. Why? As soon as such cryptocurrencies recover from the bear market, after some time, they'll be able to show incredible profits for their investors in a rally. The main reason for this significant collapse was the deterioration of wider currency markets. Investors sold off speculative assets, namely cryptocurrencies, as central banks around the world sought to raise interest rates. Truth be told, they're still doing it to mitigate inflation. If you look at the 4-hour chart right now, you can see a decrease in asset price volatility. Also, a classic bullish divergence has been formed on the RSI indicator. Since it appeared in a small time frame, this hints at the possibility of a slight rise. As for the weekly chart, many signs show that the asset is oversold. The RSI indicator demonstrates that it reached its minimum value on May 12th, after which the volatility began to decrease, which can be clearly seen with the Bollinger Bands. Right now, we are at the lower part of the range, so a rise to 50 cents looks likely. All this together gives us good hope for at least some growth. Cardano holds the 0.5 Fibonacci level for now, which is 24 cents. But I have to tell you, there's still a chance of going lower, close to 13 cents. Why do I believe that 24 cents are exactly the local bottom? Because it is very important to analyze altcoins together with Bitcoin, no matter how strong they are. And Bitcoin hasn't yet given any clear signs of reversal, although it's trying to form another bottom right now. If the world economy starts to get better and there is no news of any further crypto scams during 2023, we have all chances to grow to at least $1. And then we'll see. If the problems with the economy around the world continue to grow and the Fed fails to avoid a global recession, everything will go to hell. And altcoins will suffer the most because they fall much more than the first cryptocurrency. For cryptocurrency markets to start growing again, they need more confidence in stopping inflation. As for investors, they should know that central banks have returned to easing, not tightening. But the global economy may not reach this point until late 2023 or even 2024. In the meantime, the ADA will probably continue to struggle. Therefore, it is necessary to select the project's coins with caution and taking into account the long term, because the project is likely to have a bright future. Of course, you should understand that this is not a financial advice. And when making such decisions, you should, first of all, understand very well the matter of interest to you, and only then invest your money. I sincerely hope that you will succeed. If the information was helpful to you, subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching your Coin Report.